Okay, we're gonna finish up a previous video with the Wes Industries Quick Connect system and the Black Boar box, how to install it. This video will show you the Wes Industries Quick Connect system, how it holds this box on. If you go to my other video, you will see I showed you how to put the quick connects under the racks so you don't have to drill holes in your racks. You can take this on and off, and it looks good. It is on there. I got a 2021 C4 600. I believe the color is titanium silver. So, I'm just showing y'all. It looks good with the Black Boar box attached. Now, a lot of storage. With the seat and the hand grips. Comfortable to seat. Okay. All right, sounds good. All right, now I'm going to show you the rest of the way, the finish, how we got all four of them connected onto it. Like I said, this is a Wes Industries Quick Connect system with the Black Boar box. And if you can see, I've got all four of them on there. Now you do have to drill your holes in the box, but you do not have to drill your holes on the composite racks. If you go to the other video, I showed you where I got a set of four Wes Industries Quick Connect, and they go right up here with the little grooves. We'll go over here and take one off. Now you can take these on and off. Very simple. You just unscrew. And they got grooves on the racks that holds. You'll see in the video how I put them. Other video I have, you'll see how they go on to your racks. And that's it. You just drill your hole in your box when you line it up where you want to set it. Put your washers into place. They come with all the washers you gotta have. And see? Now, when you're done, you don't want the box on there and you want to put another accessory or just use the racks, because we deer hunt. Some people still like to put their deer over the racks here in Kentucky, so you can take it on and off with the Wes Industries Quick Connect system. And it holds it on pretty tight. It ain't going nowhere. That's it. That's all you do. Screw them on to tight. That's it. So, got a lot of storage now in this. Plus, it doubles as a seat. Of course, I believe the Touring models, the C4600 Touring, has the seat. I don't have that one. I just have the regular C4600, which that's all I wanted. But now I have the 2-up version. You can get this box at blackboar.com. They also, you can get them at walmart.com, eBay. And that's how I've got mine installed. For passengers when you trail ride. And that's what we're going to do a lot of this spring, summer. And so I'm sure gas prices are going to be high and everything's going to be high, and probably you already know. So the Black Boar box on the CF Moto 600 with the Wes Industries Quick Connect system. A lot of storage. That's how I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes with all the washers. Now, didn't have to take this rack off to put the quick connects on. All I had to do was take these two, take the rubber pieces off. There's a bolt here and a bolt on the other side. I took those 2 off. To get this one on the left side and this one on the right side on. So I just slid them up under the rack, and you can see in the previous video how I put them on the racks. They have grooves where they slide in, so you don't have to drill holes. I didn't want to drill holes, and like I said, it's a 2021 with about 20 miles on it now, so I didn't not want to mess up my rack. Now, if you look for these, look under Wes Industries. Now, I ordered it for, I believe, for the 800, but it's the same rack. It comes on the 800 as the 600, and it shows a quick connect system. And it tilts up. A lot of storage. So, can't wait to try this out. All you got to do, it's watertight. When you go through the rain, mud, creek, river, whatever you go through, it's got a good seal. And it looks good too. And now I can take them on and off. Very easy. Just unscrew the 4, pop this off. Even I'm going to leave the quick connects on my racks and just screw the just screw them. Take these off. and then take the box off. Then I just want to leave these hooked up. I'll just put these right on. There we go. That's it. Or if you get something else, I believe you can get a speaker system. Instead of drilling holes or hammer tie downs or whatever, the quick connect system is the way to go for me. That's easy to take on, take off. So you got your lock. So if you had a ATB part, lock your stuff up, wallets, phones, whatever. Pretty much people around here are pretty good about not taking stuff, but you know, the bears might get in there and want to take your food or something out of here, so. And that's the finished product. All right. Black Boar box and quick connect system from Wes Industries. Okie dokie.